Oh, hi. Welcome to our new fixer-upper. Alright, so welcome to the fixer-upper Angelica and I just bought. We're still kind of getting settled into it, so things are kind of messed up right now. But let's go ahead and just do a tour of the whole house, starting here. This is the kind of entryway, and then we've got probably what used to be a formal dining room, but they carpeted it, so I think we're going to end up turning it into something else. And we've got plans, I think, for most of the rooms, so we can go over that. Anyway, so this will be a nice, just extra space to, you know, we'll probably put like our piano in here and just another place to kind of lounge and gather. And then definitely some signs of this house being built in the 80s. The house did take on a little bit of water during Harvey. So luckily, all of the flooring, most of the flooring is new. So we're not crazy about having carpet in the living room, but it's in too good of condition to really justify getting rid of it. So living room is pretty spacious, very barren looking still, just because we came from 600 square feet, so everything you see is stuff that came out of there. This is the kitchen. It's not quite a galley kitchen, but I guess it is sort of. All the cabinets on the outside, the cabinetry and all of that does seem, from the outside, seem to be in pretty decent shape. Nothing's like soft close, obviously. I mean, this is all original stuff, I'm sure. Some kind of Formica like countertop. Definitely gonna try to keep all of these uppers. But over here is a really cool, we really like this. I mean, not the countertop, but just this cabinetry here is kind of unique and it's kind of cool. So it'd be awesome to just restore this the way it is and just replace, you know, maybe appliances, if anything, in the countertops. This furniture and all of that came with the house. But we've got some cool plans for just this space. Anyway, so we also really like this bookshelf a lot. If anything, we'll either paint it, but it'd be cool to refinish it, just a different stain. Whatever we end up staining, just wood in this house, we'll probably just make this match that. But it's really nice. It does seem like they repainted in here, but they didn't continue the paint all the way up for some reason. And I'm really curious what is beneath. They kind of paneled this beam up here. So it'd be cool to rip that paneling off and see what kind of beam that is, and then finish the painting job in here. And we'll probably stick with the paneling for now, just because it's all fine. Okay, and then moving into here, we've got a very cluttered and dirty little office space / spare bedroom. It's got pretty decent closet space and all of that. And then this is a 3-bedroom house. So this is the Jack and Jill bathroom for that spare bedroom and for this spare bedroom. And again, the cabinetry in here is really cool, and it'd be nice to just revamp all of this stuff, add soft close hardware, and we've got tons of good storage here and a little laundry hamper thing. That's kind of cool. And a nice sized toilet and shower. This is one of the rooms, the 3 main rooms in this house that need big updates is this whole room and shower and all of that, and the 2 spare bedrooms and the master bathroom. So we can go ahead and walk through. This leads into the smaller guest room. So this one we've actually already ripped up the carpet just to see what was underneath it. The carpet is dated in 2 of the rooms, so we just went ahead and ripped it up. Just get started on it. But yeah, this will be a nice room too once it's updated. So another thing I like about this house is I like that this loops back around into the main space. You're not kind of cornered in one end of the house or anything like that. What? No, he sees cats through the door probably. That doesn't do anything. So it's a pretty decent size. This is a queen size bed, and I think we could fit something bigger if we really wanted to. There's still some furniture we're working on getting out of here, like this little dresser thing, probably just big picture window whenever we get to this room. But this room is in pretty decent shape. So let's move into this bathroom. This room also needs quite a bit of updating. The flooring is old. We might end up so we might end up actually ripping this out completely and just doing something a little different in this space. These mirrors are really cool, but I don't know that we need, these are all medicine cabinets, and I don't know that we need 3 giant medicine cabinets. We don't really use up that much space there. And then toilet, I like that it's separated in this little nook type thing. But as you can see, there's like some sheetrock damage up there that they kind of replaced. There's a couple of these old like gas heaters in the house. So I need to figure out what to do there. And then shower. Definitely, we're probably going to just rip that whole thing out. But yeah, I mean, I think this house is kind of the perfect level of fixer-upper that we wanted. We needed something that we could live in, and this is more than livable, this space. They did put in like nice tile, so we're kind of thankful for that, because I don't think we'll have to pull that up. And the carpet, it will eventually go, and it'd be nice to do maybe like a hardwood floor or something like that. Anyway, but it's the core things are all in really good condition. The foundation seemed to be in really good shape, which was kind of the main, like when you're looking for, especially a fixer-upper, that's stuff to look out for. I don't think we wanted to take on something more than this. Something where you've got to gut every room. Like for the most part, the sheetrock throughout the house is perfectly fine, and you could probably just repaint it, retexture it maybe. Okay, so this is the back patio area, and you couldn't even walk through it. There were so many potted plants, so one of the first things Angelica did was just kind of clean a walkway out of this. And it's a really nice, I mean, the concrete needs to be redone, but it's a really big, nice back patio, and we've got some cool plans just on how to cover it, and we're excited to deal with this space too. One of the main reasons we also really liked this house, not only was it the right level of fixer-upper, but for, I guess, your typical suburban backyard, it's really a really good size. The lot's like 165 feet deep or something like that. And so it's plenty of room. This whole thing is it's like a stone paver kind of walk-through garden type thing, which is cool, but it also takes up like a third of the backyard. So we'll probably go through and pull up all the stone, all the pavers, all of that stuff, just so we can have our yard be a little larger. And privacy fence all the way around. And the other important thing for us was we've got chickens, and I really wanted to make sure we could continue doing that, build them a new coop. And where we're located, there's no rules against that, so we shouldn't have any issues there. And this got a big magnolia tree in the corner, really mature. And we like magnolia trees. A lot of people don't like them, but I think it's nice. So this backyard will be a lot of work, but it'll be nice. Once it's all fenced in and cleaned up, it'll be a really nice backyard. All right, well, that'll be it for this video, guys. Thanks for walking through the house with us. We're excited to take on all these renovations and bring you guys along too. So we're excited. Stay tuned. We've got some fun stuff in the works. So I'll see you on another time.